Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to message someone in Ludo King. So this is going to be for Android, iPhone, also explain how to do it for your computer as well. So what you're going to have to do is, this is going to be like an in-game feature. So as you can see at the bottom right there, a person has messaged me, like they're saying hello or whatever. So you can do that by clicking on like that little three little dots with a little like bubble there at the bottom left hand corner above your profile picture. You're going to want to go ahead and click on that, and then you've got a bunch of different things you can say. So you want to send that person hello back, you just want to click that on the top bottom left hand corner right there. Then you've got all the other like messages that you can click on. So here's them all right here. So you can do whatever you want to for that, and there's no actual way of like customizing, like just typing exactly what you want. These are the only options that you can have, unfortunately. There's no way of just messaging like random things what you want to. So that's pretty much the video right here. Leave a like on the video if that did help you out. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click on screen to see more how-to videos on the Ludo King game. But that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.